Hey y'all, it's Josh at Chamberlain's Portable Welding. Saturday, we're up on South Pittsburgh Mountain, probably about an hour from the house. We got a little simple welding repair job. It's for a good friend of mine. He's got a construction company. We was going back and forth talking, and he's noticed that Kinsley's been welding quite a bit, and I've been posting videos. And he's like, man, we got the perfect project for her to get out in the field, to get in the dirt, do some welding work instead of doing it at the house. And what we got is a 312 cat excavator. This bucket's got some pretty good cracks around the bucket ears, as you can tell. So I'm gonna let her learn how to arc gouge today. She's of course gonna do her stick welding on this because that's what she's been learning at her high school. Should be a fun day. She's gonna get. And the cool thing about this whole project is she's the one getting paid. So I'm working for free, but this is I wouldn't take it any other way. It's a Saturday. I mean, we'd either been working at the house or doing something, so we get to spend time together, and she gets some field experience, plus get paid. There's nothing wrong with that. He's like, man, don't worry about that bucket. You can't hurt it. So just let her have at it, and that's what we're gonna do. So here we go. So if you want to, sister, fire her up. She might even be a machine operator. All right, that should be good. That's our hand signature. My grandpa always does. It's thumbs up. We always give thumbs up. All right, let's get this grinded down a little bit and start welding her up. You ready? 2 thumbs up. Miss Kinsley is getting everything picked up, rolling the leads back up. She's got her bucket fixed up. Huge thanks to my buddy Carlton with Carlton Terry Construction, obviously from Whitwell, Tennessee, for letting us come out and letting this bucket be her first field repair. She done a pretty good job. I'm satisfied with it. Like I mentioned, Carlton's like, man, she can't hurt that bucket. Let her work on it and get some experience working in the dirt. So that's where we at. Either way, what do you think, Kinsley? Your first road job, your first actual paying customer. Is that cool or what? Mm-hmm. What are you gonna spend the money on? You don't know. Man, either way, appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully we can get her back in the field. Obviously I ask my customers first, and if it's something simple like this fix, if they're cool with it while I'm watching her and overseeing her, I'm gonna let her keep getting this experience out in the field. Either way, hope everybody has a wonderful day and an awesome weekend. Thumbs up. Where's the thumbs up? That's our signature. Thumbs up. All right, see y'all.